Hi, good day, Ma'am Junilyn Aquino. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, Madam, Sir. My name is Junilyn Inocencio Aquino. I'm 33 years old. I am a married but separated.
All
I
right.
have three kids, three girls. Age is 14 years old, 6 years old, and 2 years old. I am a Roman Catholic.
Okay. So can you please tell me your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay. So where do you live?
I live in Rodriguez, Rizal.
Okay. So do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, ma'am, I have. We have three brothers and one sister. I am the second of the family. My mother's name is Leticia Inocencio. My father's name is Juni Inocencio.
All right, thank you. And then how would you describe yourself?
I am a trustworthy mom, honest, and hardworking,
All right.
patient.
Okay, good. So do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I have. I have experience in Kuwait from 2017 to 2018.
All right. So did you finish your contract there?
No, ma'am, not finished contract, only 8 months
So what is the reason why you break the contract in Kuwait?
because no good for food, ma'am, and the salary and my employer hurting me physically.
Okay. So what is your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Kuwait?
My duties, ma'am, is take care of the children, cleaning the house, cooking, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, and gardening.
Okay. Aside from working as domestic helper in Kuwait, do you have still work experience locally here in Philippines?
Yes, ma'am, I have 4 years experience in the Philippines from Cainta Rizal. From June 10, 2020 to June 10, 2024, we have 4 members in the family, 2 adults and 2 children, 8 years old and 3 years old.
All right. So did you finish your contract here in Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. 4 years.
Okay. So are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby again in abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
Okay. And then what will you do if you become homesick?
If I become a homesick, I will make busy for myself
Okay.
to duties my responsibility.
All right, good. And then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
In which part?
I have wrist tattoo in my left hand.
Okay. So do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So are you willing to share a room with the children?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
Okay. So are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
All right. So lastly, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hello, ma'am and sir. Please hire me as a nanny. I am a hardworking and patience and honest